Does anyone else get confused why some earrings turn green after a few wears, even though they're gold plated, and others seem to last forever? This is why I'm starting a little series which is all about explaining jewellery metals, because I have learned so much in the last few years and I want to share my wisdom. So in episode 1 of Explaining Metals, we're talking all about gold plating. Why is it that so many pieces are labelled gold plated, but some of them last for a few months and some of them last for a few years and some of them only last for a few wears? Like, what is the deal with that? It can make it really hard to buy jewellery and you kind of don't know what you're spending your money on or if what you're getting is even good quality. So I'm here to clear up the myth. And the answer is that it's all about the base metal that is under the gold plating. So to explain further what you want to be looking for, you want to be looking for metals underneath the gold plating that aren't tarnishing. And when I'm shopping for jewellery from a brand that isn't my own, this is what I look for. These are the metals I would say yes to, and these are the metals I would say no to. And that is because these metals, when the gold plating inevitably wears off, because it will do, if you're wearing it quite a lot, it naturally will do. Maybe not enough that you can see it, but some bits of metal underneath will just peek through after quite a lot of wear. When that happens, these metals will tarnish, so they will turn green. You'll get green marks on your fingers, on your ears. That's what's going to happen to these ones. It's not a brand thing, it's not necessarily a quality thing, it's just the metal choice that a brand has chosen. So when it comes to gold-plated jewellery, my biggest top tip is to look at the composition of the metals that you're buying. So if you're on a website and it says gold-plated, or if you're in a shop and it just says 18 karat gold-plated and it doesn't say what the metal is under it, you can probably assume it's one of these metals, most probably brass. That's the most common one. That is actually why all of the base metals in ours are sterling silver or stainless steel. And in case you're still confused, I'm going to give you a little example with my rings, which aren't from my own brand, they're just for illustration. These are 2 rings I wear every day and I have done for years. And as you can see, they were originally gold, but because of just wear and tear over time, the gold plating will come off. So this one is gold-plated sterling silver, and you can see that even though the gold plating's weared off, it doesn't tarnish, my fingers aren't green, it's completely fine, it's just like the gold has come off, so I need to get it replated. Likewise with this one, the gold plating is starting to come off, but I don't have any issues with it if I shower in it, go to the gym, etc., because the base metal is tarnish proof. However, if either of these were base metals made of brass or copper or anything like that, as soon as any of these bits of silver poked through, I would instantly have green fingers, they wouldn't be waterproof anymore, and I'd really just have to throw them away. So that is what I mean. So save this post for next time you're buying jewellery or send it to your friends who need some help. Also, please comment what you'd like to know next time. I'm here to answer all your questions.